Hello folks, today I have the question of 2021 February-March session, paper 1-2 of course in February-March, and question number is 23. The question is concerned with the chapter of superposition, as you can see from the diagram itself. It says a loudspeaker emitting a sound wave of a single frequency, constant frequency, is placed a distance L from a reflecting surface. So we have a loudspeaker here at a distance of L from a reflecting surface here. A stationary wave is formed with an antinode at the speaker. So here we have the antinode, and it should be because the speaker layers vibrate and it has to have amplitude. There should be some amplitude. Only then it can travel its vibrations. So actually the particles vibrate like this. Only if they vibrate, they can transfer vibration to others. So in order that other persons get any energy or wave, there should be antinode. If it is node here, node means no vibration. So if these things do not vibrate, how can they pass the vibrations to others? How can they give the vibration to others? So there should be vibrations at the speaker. So that's why antinode should be formed there. That's what it says. A microphone is moved from the loudspeaker to reflector. So from here to here, we move the microphone, reflector. Before the microphone reaches the reflector, it detects 4 points where the sound intensity is a minimum. That means amplitude is minimum. So between this point and this point, there has to be 4 points where the sound intensity is minimum. It means there should be 4 notes. There should be 4 notes there. Now one thing to remember is that at the reflector, since this is a when the sound has to go here and reflect back, so here there should be a note, because reflector is a solid body. It has got high density, and when a wave reflects from a high density because of several things there, because of opposite phases there, here it should be node here. So there should be node at the reflector, antinode here. Now let us see the pattern here, and we have to have 4 points where the intensity is minimum. So it should be somewhat like this. The pattern should be, so here antinode here. Let me just guess the distances here from here, 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 like this. So let's do it like this, and this, then this of distance. So the wave should be somewhat like this. So it's a very rough work. It might not be exactly accurate, but our things will fulfill. So here we have got 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, where there will be minimum intensity of sound. Here also there should be minimum intensity of sound, because at the reflector they cannot vibrate vibrate properly. So my diagram would be somewhat like this. So diagram should be here, here, and here. This is node here. So from here it should be like this, and then sorry, I made a mistake, like this, like this, like this, and then like this. So it should be like this, 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 like this. So I need to rub it, but since it has been done by a pen, I can't do that. So we have 4 points here: node, 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 and node, where the intensity is minimum. So this is also node, but it doesn't count. It's because it says before here. Before means, so left of this thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is fifth. Also node. This is antinode. Now from one node to one node, the distance is lambda by 2. We know that very well. So this thing is lambda by 2. So that means lambda by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times lambda by 2 is 4 times lambda by 2, this distance. And from here to here, this should be lambda by 4. Lambda by 4, because from antinode to the node just beside it, it should be lambda by 4. So this is lambda by 4. Now by adding this distance, it forms this L. So equal to L. So 4 times of this lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4 will give us the value of L. So like this. So this gives us, so this thing should be 2 lambda. 2 lambda for the LCM is 4 like this. 2 lambda, it's 8 lambda plus lambda is equal to 9, which means 9 lambda by 4 is equal to 9, and lambda is equal to 4, sorry, this is L, sorry, L, 4 L by this 9. So lambda should be equal to 4L by 9. And I'm going through these things, so this should be the proper choice of our answer. So that's how you solve this problem. So you have to consider the proper formation of nodes and antinodes, and that gives us a proper idea as well as the proper answer.